Chumripsur, I am Tate Cambodia. Today we are going to learn 14 words of jobs. Ta chập đàm. Judge. Judge. The official in control of a court who decides how criminals should be punished. Lawyer. Lawyer. Someone whose job is to advise people about laws, write formal agreements, or represent people in court. Magician. Magician. A man in stories who can use magic. Mechanic. Mechanic. Someone who is skilled at repairing motor vehicles and machinery. Musician. Musician. Someone who plays a musical instrument very well or as a job. Nurse. Nurse. Someone whose job is to look after people who are ill or injured, usually in a hospital. Pharmacist. Pharmacist. Someone whose job is to prepare medicines in a shop or hospital. Pilot. Pilot. Someone who operates the controls of aircraft or spacecraft. Poet. Poet. Someone who writes poems. Policeman. Policeman. A male police officer. Policewoman. Policewoman. A female police officer. Politician. Politician. Someone who works in politics, especially an elected member of the government. Printer. Printer. Someone who is employed in the trade of printing. Professor. Professor. A teacher of the highest rank in a university department.